video and give us an explanation as to how that is happening. Any takers? Come on. We're breathing this stuff in, guys. Time to wake up. You have been lied to once again. Oh, now it's starting to make a trail. Look at that.
See that?
Must have run out of aerosol.
Why?
Keep an eye to the sky today, guys. This is what geoengineering looks like. Just like this. They are blocking out our sun. None of that is real cloud. All of that is from airplanes. If you're having trouble wrapping your head around that, I feel for you. I really do.